Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of foreign exchange markets.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. An immediate countering key reversal up and bullish closing white Mariposa yesterday after the previous sessions combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern. This was a significant move higher, the highest since February, pushing up and closing over the 50% absolute Fibonacci line at 73.73, the May 2019 high at 73.38, the mauve flatlining medium moving average currently 74.30, and perhaps most importantly, and this is including the absolute Fibonacci line, most importantly the combination of the big picture item of the overhead dark blue upper time, currently 74.51, of the showrunner for this market since last summer, the broken, now repaired, now once again breached April to July 2024 bearish shift pitchfork. This upper time is also melded in since late February with a declining short medium moving average currently at 74.38. Importantly, over all these resistances we have the bright red neckline currently at 75.13 of the even bigger picture action since early September last year of the September to November 2024 head and shoulders continuation pattern, which along with the peak in January can all be seen as a possible, if lopsided, bearish cat's ears pattern. Now the market shied away from testing this overhead resistance yesterday. This bearish cat's ears pattern will be a significant bearish pattern and will give a target X1 down in the 64 even zone. Personally, I thought this might be a bit of a stretch, but until the last couple of weeks or so, it still showed up as a possibility. Looking below, we have another congestion zone between 71.29 to 72.29, consisting of highs and lows from 2019, 2020, and 2023. So far today, a lower open, but then an attempt higher towards the bright red neckline overhead, but once again fighting shy of really testing it, and prices have dipped back down to the dark blue upper time and short medium moving average combination below. Spot gold. A third bullish white soldier yesterday and a more than suitable follow-on to the previous session's bullish open and close white Mariposa. It was also another new all-time high. A high open, high, low and close. Prices are nicely moving up within the dark blue early January to late February bullish Andrews pitchfork, which has shown the bullish angle of attack of this market since late February, in between the middle time below currently at 30.76 and towards the upper time currently at 31.54. As I've said throughout the last 3 weeks when looking at the recent action, I saw a pattern here of an early January to date bullish halfway hesitation, with potential up as far as target X in the 31.50 area. Nothing so far has altered this view. Prices were capped, unsurprisingly, by the overhead 50% projected Fibonacci line at 31.26. However, as I've said previously, I noted the smaller bullish halfway hesitation formed over March, which has an even higher target X1 up in the 32.31 area. So far today, a further move higher over the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 31.26 and almost, well, I'm going to call it touched, but it's a target X is at 31.50 and we're up at 31.48.88, so 31.49. I'd call that reached. And we're moving also up towards the dark blue upper time, but seemingly shy of really testing it just yet.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.